Hi, my name is Meg, and I usually do soap videos, and I have new ones coming out this coming May 1st for my shop update for May. But for today, I'm showing you how I made this cute little picnic set to put in my daughter's Easter basket for our Hazel Village dolls. Now, I used to quilt and sew all the time before my kids were born. It's kind of too hard for me to do now. I just don't have the time, and it's hard to have all the pins and needles out in front of my son who's autistic, and I don't really have a place that's safe to sew where he wouldn't get into things. But anyway, it was very lovely and bittersweet to sew again after all these years. I used to make quilts for all of our dog friends a long time ago. Right before the pandemic, my husband and I had our own dog walking business, and I used to love to give presents at holiday time and make little quilts for the dogs and stuff. So it was just lovely memories of that. That's literally how long it's been since I've sewed, like 12 years. Anyway, this fabric combination was super cute, and it actually was these little squares that came free with my daughter's children sewing machine. My mom got her for Christmas. It came with all these free little fabric squares. So it just was perfect size for it. I reused one of my puzzle boxes to put everything in, and all the little food in the basket and stuff that you see here coming up, I actually already had, my daughter already had from a little miniature doll set. And then also I got the tea set at a little secondhand store, like an antique resale store in my town. It was the perfect little find for this little porcelain tea set. I got these dolls a while back for her birthday in December, so I'll link that video below where I show the dolls we got and the clothes that we've gotten so far, although we do have a few more pieces as well. They are such a super cute doll company, and they do good things in the world. I will link their shop as well in case you're interested, but they make beautiful gifts for children. They have just the cutest things, and on their website they have free coloring pages and all kinds of blogs to read, stories about each little character. It's like a whole world, and there's a whole section of making crafts where you can take and recycle cardboard and make them furniture and all kinds of cute stuff. So here's this cute little tea set. It was the perfect size for our dolls. I might do some more videos in the future of projects if we do some of those from their website. There's like a little armchair and a bed, and we also recently, since I'm teaching her sewing and hand sewing, we made little strawberry purses for our dolls. So maybe I'll make a video showing those and how to make them as well for you. And they would fit other dolls as well. It doesn't have to be these dolls. But anyway, she really loved it. It was such a fun thing to make. Like I said, it was so wonderful and a little bittersweet to quilt and sew again. And I think I should make more time for it for myself because I miss it and I really love it a whole lot. So anyway, thank you for watching. Like I said, new soaps are coming very soon on the full moon on May 1st. So stay tuned for that, and take care.